How to change username on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Clubhouse. Then the first step is to launch the application, just like I've done here. And then once you've launched the application on your mobile phone, the next step is to move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then select settings. For the settings page, click on your profile name in order for you to be taken to your account settings page. On the account settings page, you can see options like full name, alias, phone number, email, username. So click on username and then select the username, the box where the username is located, and go ahead to make necessary changes. After changing, click on update. And then you must note that you can only change your username once in a while. You cannot change it as soon as you can. So take note of that. Then click on use good and your username will be changed. It's that simple. So go ahead to change that username today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.